Nasim, I think you're 19 years old. What do you think of a 40-year-old bowling for England in James Anderson, and what was your impression of his career over the last 20 years, even longer than you've been alive?
I think it's a very big achievement because I'm a fast bowler, so I know how much hard fast bowling is, and he's the legend. So I think he did a lot of hard work, and we learn a lot of things from him. And whenever we meet, we discuss something. So that's big thing for him. We learned this thing. He's still playing like I think he's 40-year-old and he's still playing and he's still fit. So you can you can think like how much he's doing hard work, and
And how impressed are you with the skills that he's got? I mean, he talked that he doesn't quite have the pace that he used to, or the pace that you've got, but he has other skills. What do you think of the skills that he has?
I have just 30% English. My English is finished now. Okay.
Sorry. What do you think of his ability to move the ball off the seam, in the air, swing?
I told you he's the legend. He know everything, and he know about bowling, how to take wickets, because he playing a lot of cricket and everywhere in the world, and that's why he's one of the best bowler in the world, because his fitness, his skill, his everything is best. That's why he's the best bowler in the world.
Hi Nazim. Nazim.
Yes,
Hiya.
brother.
You had a short spell with Gloucestershire earlier this year. What was it like following in the footsteps of Waqar and Wasim, being a young seamer bowling in county cricket? And what does county cricket mean to, or represent to, Pakistani players?
Yeah, I think last year for me it's very good season because I learned a lot of things from county, and I enjoy a lot because in county different condition, different type of pitches, and you learn a lot of things. In life you live alone there, and a lot of things you learn. So yeah, I enjoy a lot there.
What did you find was the biggest challenge of bowling in the UK, or what was easiest? Was it a bit easier with the pitch?
Bowling is not easy anywhere, but in England you need to understand the condition because different from Pakistan. So you need to